Alright, so we've got the grill out. We're going to access this point right here. Just this red and black wire is what we're going to tap into because that's the daytime running light. And we've got the grill over here. Got the emblem mounted. Got our harness. Now we're going to take our T-splice side, disconnect it from the quick disconnect, and install it on the car. We've just got this done and mounted with all the washers and the plastic oversized washers to make it grab onto the grill. We're currently painting the trims and the emblems, so now let's go ahead and splice it in. Okay, so we went ahead and we pulled our marker light out. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to lay it so that on this, we're going to do it so that the red wire is the outside wire. We'll go ahead and get those in line. Get them so that way they align with the housings. Now we're going to take our pliers. Get that so it clicks in place. And now we are good to go ahead, connect our emblem, and test it. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and connect it, and then we're going to go on the inside and turn on our marker light to see if it lights up. So once this is lit up, your emblem will have light. It's a little bit sunny, but in the dark here you can see it's all illuminated. And yeah, that's how you install it on your B16. Alright, so we got the black trim on, got our emblem on, all done.